Hey y'all. I know I said I wouldn't embarrass myself, but I lied. So here we go. This is probably already embarrassing. But I do want to say that with my older webcam, I was not able to, or people were not able to see my monster collection, my haunted house collection, and or my Halloween sunglasses that I have, or even my screen picture that my cousin painted for me, or any of my dark shadows metal tins, and then my monster tins. So I'm really excited about that. And of course, this over here, this recliner, it's actually for my dog, Cowboy. I had to think about his name. Anyway, but it always reminds me of a smiling face. I don't know why. And then we have baby Goguru right there. And then we also have some of our rubber chickens. I call this one Hi Hey from I believe it was Moana was her little chicken. And I have some other ones too, like this one up here, the pink one. Ooh, let me go this way. The pink one, that's Harriet and or Bernice, which was my mom. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you all what's going on here and how the video works. And hopefully you guys will enjoy me embarrassing myself. Yeah, you can see the quality of the video. And this is actually zoomed all the way out. Or yeah, it's not zoomed all the way in, it's zoomed all the way out. And it's nice. It's actually a lot clearer and a lot more colorful and vibrant than my old camera, which was an LG, which I actually like LGs, but this is really good. And then you can see my other monsters here. So this one is Edgar Allan Poe, and then we have Pennywise, of course. The alien monster, Frankenstein, werewolf, mummy, Dracula, Phantom of the Opera, and then my shot glasses, my emoji shot glasses, and some of the things that my husband made for me on a 3D printer. Here we go. This one is one of my favorites. Oh yeah, a little Yoda. I really like him. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would say absolutely this web camera is absolutely wonderful. You give a wider angle. You definitely get more crisp pictures, crisp videos, and so yeah, I like it a lot, and I would highly recommend it. Alright guys, here's toast. So good. Have a good night all. Thank you.